Most people think Bitcoin laundering looks like a hacker in a hoodie. The real story is quieter and way more calculated. Over several years, more than 8 billion in Bitcoin quietly moved through wallets, exchanges, and shell accounts. Not all at once, but in fragments designed to look normal. The key tactic wasn't hiding Bitcoin, it was blending it. Funds were split into thousands of microtransactions, passed through mixers, swapped across blockchains, and slowly converted into cash-like assets. No alarms, no sudden spikes, just patience. But here's the part most people miss. Bitcoin didn't make the laundering invisible. It made it traceable. Every move left a public trail, timestamp, wallet hop, and behavioral patterns analysts eventually connected. What looked like money vanishing was really money waiting. And when investigators finally tied the wallets together, the blockchain told a full story permanently. Bitcoin doesn't forget. And that's why this wasn't just an $8 billion disappearance. It was an $8 billion lesson.